Hello guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this box. It's a brownie box. And the material that I am going to use is a long folder. I just bought it from the store and I chose the red color since it's election time here in our place, and this is one of the presidential colors. So this is for Uniteam supporters. And for the Kakam Pink, there will be a video also that will be uploaded later. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell, then set to all so you will be notified for my next upload. And for my subscribers, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming again. Thank you for watching again. These are the usual materials I am using in all my DIY boxes. And for this box, the dimension is 6 by 6 by 1.5. The width and the length are 6 inches, and then the height of the box is 1.5 inches. So to start, I will have to remove this portion. And next is measurement, and I usually start from the edge of the board. And this time I'm going to measure first 1 inch, then 1.5 inches for the height, then 6 inches for the width of the box, and another 1.5 inches, then 1 inch. I will do the same on the other side of the board. So the measurement will be the same to the first one, which is 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 6 inches, 1.5, and 1 inch. Then next is we just have to connect these markings. We have to make a line. And I will remove this remaining portion here on the right side. I don't need it anymore. And for measuring the vertical side of the board, I will start from here. This is already folded, so I will start from there. And from that point, I will measure 6 inches and 1 inch. Then I will do the same here on the other side, on the right side of the board. The same measurement, which is 6 inches and then 1 inch. Then again, I will connect the markings in order to form a line. And after that, the next measurement will be 1.5, and then for the cover of the box is 6 inches. The same measurement in this side, 1.5 and 6 inches. And now I have to remove this little portion on top because this is not needed anymore. So let's just cut this one. And now I'm going to cut out the portions which are not needed. You just have to watch and look which one I am cutting. Okay, it's done. So this is now the final layout of our box. This part is the cover, and this is the base. And these are the sides of the box, which is 1.5 inches height. And now let's do the scoring. Guys, scoring is very important. You just have to score on the line because this will serve as a guide in assembling the box. I will make a hole here wherein I can insert the ribbon. Also, we need to make a hole on the cover of the box. That's also for the ribbon. And next is I'm going to make a curve here. That is just to put a little style on the cover of the box. And here I'm using a double-sided tape to lock the side of the box. So I am now assembling the box. Just remove the other part of the double-sided tape and attach it to that one. I don't want to use a paste, so instead I'm using double-sided tape. It's easy for me. So this is now our brownie box. And I'm using a green color of the ribbon. So this is a unit team color. Okay, this is now our brownie box. It's done. Okay, for my next upload will be for the camping. Guys, this will be the box I am going to show you on how to DIY this. So please also watch this once uploaded. Thank you so much